Welcome YouTube. This is Drew from Passive Profits. In this video, we're going to go over why GrooveFunnels is the best for new affiliates. Hey, what's up guys? If you're new to this channel, this is Passive Profits, and this channel is all about making money online, making passive profits through affiliate marketing for beginners. So if you haven't already, hit the subscribe button, tap that notification bell, and also don't forget to like my channel. It helps with the algorithm.
Alright guys, we're going to jump right in and I'm going to show you why GrooveFunnels is the best for beginner affiliates. Alright guys, here we are in my computer and we're at the suite of tools that I'm going to be talking about tonight. This is the reason why I think that things have changed in the funnel world. Things have changed for beginner affiliates. There's no barrier to entry anymore. There is literally no barrier to entry to get your software as a beginner affiliate because of these few tools I'm going to show you tonight. And not only is it these are great tools, they're absolutely free to get in. You can start building your funnels right away. Not only can you start building your funnels right away, how you can be a beginner affiliate and start promoting GrooveFunnels as a beginner affiliate. And it's an easy sell because it's free. It's literally free. Okay, so I'm going to jump in and I'm going to show you how easy this is the main page. All right, you're going to jump right in and you're going to do your whole setup. It's a simple setup and it's free. Don't allow them to upsell you because, mind you, it is a funnel and they're going to try to push the upsells and all that stuff, but it's free. So you get in there and I'm going to log in. I'm going to show you what it looks like. It's perfect. All right, so you get in there, you get everything done. Look at, you're already an affiliate. It says Groove Affiliate Program. All right. So if you are a paying member, you're going to earn this 40% reoccurring. If you're not a paying member, you're going to get 20%. You're not, and it's also a 2-tier program, which means if you come on under me and sign up through the link down below, which I hope you do because it's a great, use of me and you can be an affiliate under me. I'll make 10%, not off of your top, but off of my top through the company. I don't know if that made any sense. It sounded kind of weird. Anyway, it's a 2-tier affiliate program. I'll earn 20% off of what I sell to anybody, and you'll no, that's not how it works. Oh, it works like this. If you're my affiliate, I will get 10% of whatever you sell. Not off of your end, but off of the company's end. And you can come and you can start promoting GrooveFunnels right away. That's not the best part of this whole thing, all right? The affiliate program is great, and it's a great way to get started and just learn how to start promoting things and stuff like that. That's what I've been doing, Yeah, of course, I started promoting by pushing things in Facebook and just being a little pushy and spammy, but you know what? I'm getting better at it. I'm trying these YouTube videos and stuff like that, and it's working a lot better, and that's how I think you should start. And you don't have to sign up for anything. You just have to sign up for the program itself. But basically, there's like this suite of tools on the side. You get GroovePages, so you get up to 3 web pages or funnels, however you want to call them. And here I built my own little opt-in, which means that's how I can connect my email autoresponder. My email autoresponder right here is Aweber, also a free thing you can sign up under as long as you have less than 500 subscribers. It's a great thing. You can build landing pages as well on this. Link will be down below. But these are great tools for beginner affiliates to start using right away. And I'm just really wanting you guys to understand that being a beginner affiliate doesn't mean that you have to break the bank. You shouldn't. You shouldn't spend any money. You should get your feet wet first. It's hard to figure out all this tech stuff. It's hard to start promoting and know how to promote and finesse people. Anyway, this is one of the funnels that I built. It's like, do you want to learn how to create more traffic for your content? One of the things I was pushing was, believe it or not, a ClickFunnels product. This is my opt-in, right? So they put their name, their email, they hit the receive and then it goes to, because I had it integrated with this, it goes to my Aweber account. Anyway, so that's just one of the things, you know, it's cool because there's, if you know anything about funnels, we have like blocks, the normal blocks, but they have an element called, like, it's a wireframe element, and it's super cool. Check it out. Like, it's just like you can do tons more stuff with it than you could with GrooveFunnels or ClickFunnels, my bad. And then it's way cool. Also, the suite of tools has, so instead of having your autoresponder hooked up, you can, it's not there yet. Mind you, see how everything's, it says it's in beta. So everything's still in beta, my bad. But this is the technology that's going to go a long way. It's going to be something. And I think if you're in on the ground floor, which is right now, I mean, it hasn't even blown up that big on YouTube yet. There's really not many areas that people have dove into it. And there's a lot more people looking into this every day and asking about what this product is, guys. So if you're a beginner affiliate and you want something like ClickFunnels at the very beginning, this is the product. I promise you, if you start promoting this product, you will see results, all right? And it's so beginner friendly because it gives you the suite of tools right there. You understand? Anyway, guys, I don't know how much more I could sell it to you. Everything here is free. GrooveFunnels is free. You get 3 sites. You get to use GrooveSell. You get to use GrooveAffiliate. You get to use GrooveMember. This is a light suite, so you don't get all of the features. You get it in a light way, which means less, you know how it works. I mean, you don't get everything, but you get enough to get your ball rolling, to have you understand what a funnel is and how to build it, how to use the blocks, how to use the frames, how to use the sites. All right. It also allows you the ability to promote something, and where you don't have to go through this rigmarole to get started. This gives you that opportunity. And the same thing with Aweber. It's a great autoresponder. The only problem with Aweber is you can't do autoresponding right now, but it allows you to build your list. It allows you to get up to 500 subscribers and build that list. And once you have 500 subscribers, then you can pay more and start having the automation, which is the autoresponder. Okay. Anyway, guys, links are down below. Please check it out. It's totally free, and I really want you guys to come join me and start promoting underneath me. It doesn't come out from your pocket. It comes out from the company's pocket. So hit the link down below and check out this stuff. It's cool. Thanks, guys. I'll see you on the next video. Don't forget to subscribe. Also, one more thing. Down below, there's going to be another link, and that is for the new ebook that I put out. It's great. It's great for beginner affiliates. It teaches you where to start, how to get your traffic, and how to start the ball on everything, including creating your email list, creating your first funnel, and whatnot. So check that down below. It will be the 3rd link down below. Thank you, guys. Have a great night.